Ooh, this almost looks like a Lori Harvey matcha at Erewhon. Okay. So today for freshman seminar, we have the actual author, Ayesha Rascoe, here today, and she's going to sign some books afterward. And I met her. She's so nice. I'm so excited for the students as well as myself. Some students who came to get their books signed. How special. Happy Saturday, lovely people. Today I am meeting with my cohort sisters. We're actually trying out this diner type of place. We're near like American University. So it's a beautiful day in DC. Hopefully you guys can see me. I know the sun is beaming, but I'm excited to see the girls. After that, we may go to the library and have like a brunch and books type of Saturday, which is, you know, right up my alley. Get some work done and also fill my social cup. So yes, that is today. I may show you guys what we order, but after that, the camera is going off. I'm just going to catch up with the ladies and enjoy our time together. And then I will see you guys maybe later on today, maybe not, maybe tomorrow. Here we go. Check you out. Come on here. I'm going to try not to be basic, but I think I'm going to get good old avocado toast. But I may get it with salmon, so that's a little bit different. I do see an Impossible burger here. I don't know. We'll see. Look who's here. I have a vegan egg scramble and some fruit. Jamila is teaching Elise how to use TikTok. That is really cool. They already have a book with BP Kamala. How cool is that? It smells like a woman is in charge. It did go viral. Yes. So I'm looking into candles. This is the one that I think I'm going with. Oh, zoom in. Can't see it very well, but it smells like it. Look how cute these bookmarks are. I'm gonna get these as well as a candle. All right. Okay, we made it to Georgetown. We decided to study here, and because we're a part of the consortium, we can still get in with our Howard ID. So here we go. First things first, I need to grab a snack because I am in need of some type of sweets or something to stay awake. Here's my little cubicle. Got my laptop here. Iced coffee and snacks. Okay, we are just now leaving. As you can tell, it is nighttime. Good night, y'all.
Before we get into the word this morning, I do just want to take a moment of personal privilege and thank God for a couple of Howard folks in my life. Yes. I want to first thank God. My oldest nephew graduated from Howard in May of this year. He's going to be here this weekend for homecoming. But we give God praise for my oldest nephew, William Watkins. If you activate what's on the inside of you, and you activate what's on the inside of you, consistency will be birthed. Relevance will be birthed. Impact will be birthed. We're going to take care of everything that's in front of us. We're going to ask our questions that we might work smarter, not harder, and we will be all right. Is there anybody in the sanctuary that just believes that we will be okay? Because we're going to take care of what's in front of us.
Happy homecoming week, HU. You know, I'm at my first festivity activity event tonight. I don't feel good. You may hear it in my voice, but my thing is I'm missing the game this year and a lot of the activities because I'm traveling to New Jersey to support my mom. She's speaking at a conference. So I wanted to make sure that I wanted to participate in something. And I wasn't feeling well. I think I was recovering from Connecticut last week and just the lack of rest and sleep. So I'm doing my best. But tonight I took a nap earlier and I'm like, let me get out. I am at Throw Social, so at the Graduate Student Assembly, so the GSA, and it's another student organization that is throwing this tonight. So because I'm in leadership as well on campus, I'm like, this will be the perfect event to go to. So go ahead inside and do a little mixing and mingling, and then go back home and pack, because I'm leaving for Jersey literally at 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, some o'clock in the morning. That is just, it's still going to be dark outside. So yes, I'm still in my 30s. I have to remember, like, girl, you are still young. You don't have to be in the bed by 9 p.m. I want to be in the bed right now, but I'm going to go out and get some food, meet my colleagues, show Howard some love, HU, and yes, that will be my homecoming celebration for this year. So again, HU, you know, happy homecoming week, guys. Bye. Oh, look, we got the whole thing rented out. Okay. Made it to the airport. I am very tired. It is like 4 o'clock in the morning or 5 o'clock in the morning, but on my way to Jersey, I'm excited to see my parents. This is today's outfit, this morning's outfit. I have on my Howard sweatshirt or Howard sweater, fanny pack, leggings, suitcase. I'm repping because it's homecoming week, but I won't be at homecoming because I'll be in Jersey, but still repping Howard. So HU, you know.
Exit the train, then move quickly to board the train.
Okay, I'm tired of waiting at the hotel because I can't check in yet, so I've decided to go to the deals at Jersey Gardens. Let's see what this outlet has to give. I just need to walk around. I am so sleepy. Found my mom. I'm supposed to be meeting her here. She came all the way from California. Ma'am? Hi, mama. That's a long skyline. I never knew it was this long. I mean, in width.
Well, really, that's not the width of it. That's just, it's like the bottom of the shoe to the top of the shoe. Manhattan being shaped like a shoe or a foot or a slipper.
Guys, we're at Blueprint Cafe in Jersey. This is interesting. So it's nicely decorated for the season, I suppose. Very festive. They have a vegan menu. I'm gonna get vegan tacos and probably a scramble. But I'm excited. I see a seasonal latte. Okay, so my mom got the carrot muffin. And of course, I got a lavender matcha latte. I'm gonna try that. But they have a lot of vegan desserts here. Ooh, this almost looks like the Lori Harvey matcha at Erewhon. Okay.
Your mom's health is a carrot muffin and
Okay.
acai and lavender.
Oh.
It's delicious.
I like this spot. It's very health conscious. It's a nice size bag for what I ordered. You have the vegan tacos and the scramble. Okay. I think I'm ready. I got the acai lavender as well. This is his, can I tell your business? It's your second one?
This is my second one in the last 2 minutes.
That is, hey, what is it? Blueprint Coffee. You got your testimonial right here.
This is the place. 369 Raymond Avenue. Don't know the city, but it's near New York, y'all.
From a fellow New Yorker. Well, I'm not a New Yorker, but from a New Yorker. They have a decent, I wanted to show you guys, they have a decent, like, cafe and coffee tea selection. So, I think we found some magic. If you guys are in Jersey, I'm gonna drop the address in the description, but this is it's a nice cafe. These portion sizes are phenomenal. So here are my tacos. And then here's my scramble. Let's see how we can open this with one hand. Ooh, I may have to come back when I open it. Y'all, look at this. This looks great. And look how much food they gave me. I think my total with tip and everything, and mind you, I got my mama muffin and I had a latte with oat milk. I think everything was like maybe 50 bucks, 52 bucks. Again, that's with tip, that's with my mom's muffin, that's with my drink and all of this food. This is not bad compared to what I pay on a regular. Okay, Jersey. All right, here's my outfit for my mom's presentation today. Heading to the conference now. So my mom is speaking today. How do you feel?
Good.
Okay. Amen. We're gonna get started. There we go.
I laid across the bed and I went to sleep. And I woke up to a song that I never experienced before. It was playing in my mind and it was so loud, but no song was playing. And the verse to the song that was playing was, "Why you trying to figure it out? I've already worked it out."
Come on.
And so I got up and I went to my mother's house and I told her, I said, "Mom, I have to tell you something. I was just diagnosed with cancer," and she was cooking. And she looked at me, she said, "You're gonna be okay," and she kept cooking. And so we talked for a little while, and I said, "Mom, did you hear me?" I said, "I just got a call from the doctor, and he said I was diagnosed with cancer." And she looked at me, she said, "Did you hear me?"
Come on.
She said, "I said you're gonna be okay."
Okay, I made it back home. Happy Sunday. Happy Monday. It is my first official day of being a teaching fellow. I'm heading to Crampton and I'm excited. I'll take you guys along with me if I can. Of course, I'm not going to show any students or anything, but well, if they are okay with it because they're all adults. They're 18 and over, but yeah, happy Monday.
On to our Great. So we're here today to talk about strategies for academic success.
We just finished homecoming. Now we're at the full stretch of the end of your first semester. So I want to kind of ask our panel here some questions regarding what type of techniques and what methods have you discovered to help you retain information?
Okay, we got some lunch, stuffed bell peppers, salmon, kale, cucumber, peppers.
Hi, Professor. I'm so stressed out. I'm depressed. And I do want to disclose because I haven't been keeping up with my work. I do have ADHD. And so I would like to know how can I do well in your class?
Can you see me? Happy Thursday. I am on campus. I am actually heading to the 21st annual AERA Brown Lecture. And AERA stands for, well, let's see if I get this right. I think American Education Research Association. If that's not correct, I'll put the correct acronym in the description. But it is essentially like an education research association, and it's encouraged for EDD students to attend because hopefully in the future we will be conducting, well, of course, research, but also speaking, like having speaking opportunities like that, presenting our research and being a part of the education research ecosystem. So it's nice to get involved now. Last year it wasn't at the Kennedy Center. It was somewhere in DC, but this year it is hosted at Crampton Auditorium on campus. So yes, I don't know if it's always been hosted at Howard, but this year is definitely hosted here. As someone who is in leadership on campus, I am the communications director for the Graduate Student Advisory Council, GSAC, as well as just being a student. I am a doctoral student. I am very much a part of Howard's Ed Leadership program. So this is just very much in alignment, I think it's what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna head there and be inspired and be encouraged and be motivated. And maybe if I'm allowed to record or take pictures, I will show a little bit here. But I like to keep these things private because this is people's intellectual property, you know? So I don't want to do too much and break that confidentiality. Anyway, that is Thursday. So yes, happy Thursday. Bye, guys. Howard is so pretty at night. This is is my outfit of the night. All black. Never mind, I'm in the restroom.
So I guess if it wasn't for Howard, I would not be here. So thank you all. I was saying to folks backstage, I stood on this stage 20 years ago for an event celebrating Brown versus Board of Education. And so it just feels like, in many ways, I'm coming full circle.
And I know there are lots of questions that folks would like to ask, but I get to ask them first. So I guess I'm struck by your comment that many people talk about Brown and think about Brown as a failure. And I guess I wanted to hear you talk a bit more about who and what failed Brown.
Happy Saturday. I'm at the Wharf actually for a social event with an influencer, a DC influencer. So I'm excited about that. I'm getting out of the house, out of my normal routine. So heading to DC Wharf Boathouse or DC Boathouse Wharf or something like that. So this says Boathouse. I wonder if this is it. Huh. As you can tell, I am at the library. I am going to knock out a few hours here and then I'm going to get back home because it's cold outside, or at least it's starting to get cold in DC. And I just want to be in my bed under my heating blanket. So yes, let's get some work done, get some grading done, and then I will catch you guys tomorrow. So today for freshman seminar, we have the actual author, Ayesha Rascoe, here today, and she's going to sign some books afterward. And I met her. She's so nice. I'm so excited for the students as well as myself. Like, I have been listening to this book on audio books, Audible, there you go. So to have a physical copy, like a signed copy, so cool.
But I was still figuring out who I was. But what I didn't know at that time when I graduated on the yard was that my time at Howard really planted the seeds that would grow into the person that you see before you today. HBCUs were established between 1865 and 1899, and 90% of these institutions are in the South. These colleges were established to educate and train free Black people when predominantly white schools prohibited Black students. And while HBCUs are open to everyone and have always been open to everyone, they have served and continue to serve as a springboard for Black people in a way that is really unmatched in this country. According to the UNCF, HBCUs make up about 3% of nonprofit four-year colleges and universities, but enroll 10% of all African Americans. Almost 20% of all STEM bachelor's degrees awarded to Black graduates were conferred at HBCUs. And
some students who came to get their book signed. How special.
And I can't breathe, I'm sweating. Because it's in the valley, so you would either be dropped off at the opening gate on Howard Street, or... Thank y'all so much for contributing, and let's give a round of applause to our... Woo!